Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some chocolate biscuit dough. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. In here I have some butter and sugar. I'm going to also add in some vanilla extract. I know it's chocolate, but I always like to add vanilla extract as well. I'm going to cream it together. Then I'm going to add an egg. Then add in my flour, plain flour, and cocoa powder. I'm going to use my hands to mix it in and to knead it until it comes a dough. Okay, you can see it's coming together and it smells really nice. Okay, the dough is ready. It's nice and smooth. So you can actually roll it out and make your biscuits now, or you can actually put it in cling film and just flatten it out a bit, and then you can put it in the fridge for a few hours or overnight and then bake them like the next day. I'm using my biscuit dough now, so there's no need to put it in the fridge. I'm going to break off a chunk because I might not use all of it. I'll decide and put this one away and to knead it. Because it's chocolate, you've got the option to use cocoa powder on your work surface, which I'll do now, or you can use flour still. It will have a bit of a white residue, but it usually bakes off. Now to lift it up and turn it. This stops it from sticking. It's a bit too thick, so I'm just going to keep on rolling until I get the thickness that I want. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can actually pat it down. It'll work as well, but just takes longer. There are many shape cutters that you can find. They come as sets for circles, squares, many different ones, even numbers you can get as well. I'm going to use this circle one. And some are plastic, some are metal, like this one. You can use them for cookies and you can also use them for biscuits. So they come in different sizes and you choose which size you want. I'm quite happy with this size. So you make stamps until you run out of dough. And I'll show you what you do after that. Too much. Okay, now this one I don't have enough space, so I'm not going to do that. I will come here. Okay, so what you do now is you lift off this excess one, because you can always re-knead it and cut out more shapes. Okay, I'm going to lift this off with spatula. Lift this off with a spatula. And put it on my prepared cookie tray. This one, I just easily lifted it off, and I'm going to put it here. I've got a stamp. These stamps, there are 3 of them that I have. Got this one and this heart one. Got these 2, and I've got an owl one somewhere, but I don't know where it is. I've used them for fondant, and I've never used them for biscuits, so I'm going to try them today on this biscuit. I'm going to push it down. I'll see if the pattern comes out. Oh, that looks very nice. Okay, I hope when it bakes it stays. Also, what I'm going to do, I've got some Nordic ware cookie stamps. Nordic ware is my favorite company for bundt cakes. I absolutely love my bundt cakes, and it's an American company, so they make really nice stuff. This is a set of cookie stamps I bought. I am going to get some of my dough. For those ones from the experiment I did, I need to weigh it. I'm going to use one of my Nordic ware stamps from the previous attempt that I did. I've got a video coming up on that one. I've got a video about that. Click on the link above to see my very first attempt at these Nordic ware cookies. So this is 40 grams of dough. I put it on here. I'll leave some space so I can stamp it out right. That's 40 grams, and I put my stamp right in the middle and push it down. You can see it starts to appear there. Do it like that. I'm going to push it down a bit more. Like that. And I haven't tried it with this cookie dough. I don't think it... Oh yeah, it does work. Okay. Look at this beautiful design. Wait, actually, it's not done. It's not properly. The first one was a bit lopsided. It's all about experimenting with this. So I'm going to try again, because when I'm looking from above, I can't see the lopsidedness, but I'll try. Okay, like that. Push it down. Okay, as it starts to come out like that on the edges, lift it up. Can you see it's filled up the whole place, the whole cookie cutter? So I'm going to gently bring it down. Look at that beautiful design. I absolutely love these, and none of the dough stuck on the stamp at all. Okay, so I'm just going to cut a few more cookies just to fill my tray and bake them. Okay, these are ready to go in the oven. Actually, I think I will stamp this one as well. This one. That one, yeah. Okay, these are now going in the oven for a few minutes. You can't tell when they're baked, because with some cookies I say look for a slightly golden brown color on top, but these ones you can't. So I'll just have to wait until they're a bit firm to the touch. Okay, the biscuits are baked. You can't see the color on them, but they are quite firm. I'm going to remove them and put them on a cooling rack to cool completely. Look at the ones that I used the stamp on. The design came out, looks good. And this one as well. It does. It's not very clear here, but I'm sure if it's not too bad. It looks quite good. Okay. And of course these ones, they look very nice and the design stayed on them. I'm going to leave them to cool completely, and I might sandwich some of them. Okay, so you can leave them like this if you want, and they can be part of other cupcakes that you have, or you can dust some with some icing sugar, just very, very lightly. These ones are the pattern, you can leave them like that. Okay, and I'm going to get to sandwich. It's an option to sandwich, but obviously you don't have to. I'm going to get one of this and the other one, which is the same size or similar size. I've got some American buttercream in here, and I also have some chocolate buttercream, which I was using for something else, but I'm going to use this white American buttercream just for the contrast with the biscuits. I don't want them to be, the cream to be too close to the edge, because what happens is when I squish it down with the other one, it will ooze out of the sides. So I'm going to press this one like that, and then after that you can still Put some icing sugar on top. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbrownbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.